Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today's video is all about my Ko-fi members. You guys asked for video reveals on what you're getting, so this is for you. Let me go ahead and just give you a quick overview. Memberships will be relaunching tomorrow, September 1st at 10 a.m. Eastern. I have two tiers available, the Digital Savers and the Scratch Off Club. I feel that both are priced very affordable at $5 and $15 a month. The sign-up dates for the Scratch Off Club are the 1st through 7th of each month, and then packets are shipped on the 15th. Anyone in the world can sign up, and shipping is included. There are limited spots available in the Scratch Off tier. There is quite a bit of perks available to both tiers, and today I'm going to be showing you some. So these are the digital downloads, and they are available for free for both tiers. So let's start off with the Fall Seasonal Binder Kit. So this kit is set up for you to use from September through November. So it includes your A5 and A6 dashboards. You just cut these out with scissors and use a hole puncher, and they are ready to go inside your binders. I do have a tutorial on setting that up, so go ahead. I will link that down below for you. All right, then we have the A5 and A6 envelope inserts. And here they are, aren't they cute? I do have another tutorial on adding custom fonts to these, so you can totally make them your own. I will, of course, link that below for you as well. All right, and then the final part of it is this sheet. There's a lot going on with this one. So here are your 3 months all ready to go. Some people like to laminate their calendars and some don't. So I have this here. If you would like to cut it off and not laminate them, then you don't have to, and you can just laminate the bottom part. Don't laminate it at all or laminate the whole thing. It's completely up to you. But that option is there if you want it. Then here is your very cute bookmark that you can use, and your 3 little motivational cards for September, October, and November. So I am super excited for a nice fall, and I cannot wait to get this all set up. All right, so that moves us into our monthly treat bag. So here is how it is when you print it out, and here is how it is when you have it all cut and laminated. All right, let's go through this. So first is this very cute ghosty motivational card that says, "Don't trick your savings." And then we have a mini $15 pumpkin kitty tracker. Then I added this really cute shopping magic game where you are taking a witch shopping. So you roll your dice to see her purchases. So you start here at her pet, and if you roll an even, she gets a bat that she pays $2 for. And if you roll an odd, you get a cat that you are paying $1 for. And then you just move through each one and save your total at the end. I think this is a really cute one. I like that one a lot. And of course, you can just use this over and over every year as many times as you'd like. And then I have a cute little savings envelope that you can just put everything in, or your savings money, or both, or however you want to do that. But there is your little savings envelope. Very easy to put together. Okay, let's move on to our Cup of Savings download. Really fast, I will just touch on, if you don't know what this is, Little Cup of Savings is a card game that I release extras for quite often. Prior to my break, I had a dedicated membership tier called Cup of Sunshine. I did not bring that tier back. Instead, I made a few changes by melding it together into the lowest tier. So rather than doing a monthly, seasonal, holiday, and event digital, I consolidated it to one digital a month, and I'm giving the option to you on whether or not you would like just to print your own or have me send you a handmade version. Okay, so this is the digital version. Every member will have the option to download it if they want. And this is the handmade version. So it comes with this little envelope. It's hard to get out with my Band-Aid. There we go. Okay, so here is your tracker. And you get 6 ghosts. I am sad to say that I forgot to put backings on your cards this round by the time I noticed they were already laminated. But this event is really fun. So it's called a Ghostly Request. And the story is that these ghosts are invading your shop for pumpkin spice tea. So you mix these 6 ghosts into your deck, and whenever you draw one, you save the amount up here and then mark off on your tracker here. So this way you can keep the ghosts going in your deck and you know which ones you've saved and just pull them out, and it's a really cute game, lots of fun. So this again is the handmade version, and I will have, I think I made 35 packets of these available, but of course don't worry, because if you don't get the handmade, you will always have access to the digital and you can just DIY it. Okay, now we're gonna move on real quick. So I just did a video showing these savings albums. I'm going to start this really cute thing in September called the Spooky Savers Society. And starting on September 5th, we are going to set up our albums, but don't worry, if you didn't get an album or you aren't a member, I will give you a really quick tutorial on making your own album super easy, super cheap, so that you can participate with us. So if you are interested in what these look like, catch the video that I did a full walkthrough, and I will link that below for you. But I also added some little album extra for you guys. So this is for members, and we will go through setting all of this up on the 5th. And then every Friday in September, the Spooky Savings Society will do our albums together and save. Okay, put that over there. And that brings us to the final thing for me to show you, which is the Scratch Off Club packet. So everything that I've shown is available to both tiers, but this is only Scratch Off members. So you guys get a, let's go ahead and open up your little envelope here. All right, so the first thing that you guys get is you all get a handmade version of the treat bag. So this is laminated, and all three are on very thick cardstock and printed out for you, all ready to go. And then you will receive some specialty cutout scratch offs. So for this, I went with this really fun trick or treat candy bag, and you can save 45 with this when you finish it. It will also fit in your album. So if you do go that route, it will fit in there. And of course, this is on super thick cardstock. And then these 2 little mini specialty cutouts with your cupcake and your little cake pop. And then of course you have this envelope, which you can use for your savings or to hold your games. So, this is quite the launch. I am really happy with how everything has turned out, and I hope that you are too. Thank you guys so much for sharing your savings adventures with me. I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. Bye guys.